hot. This will take a little bit, maybe about a minute or two. Because when you grill steak, you need your pan to be super hot. Rule of thumb yan. Some restaurants actually heat their pan for 20 minutes before actually searing the steak. Here, because it's an induction stove, we can do it in a few minutes now. This is magical also. This helps a lot. So when we're going to sear our steak, we need butter and oil. Does everyone know why we use butter and oil at the same time? Yeah? Does everyone know? The reason why, for those that don't know, we use butter and oil to prevent it from burning. And because our marinade has sugar in it, so if you just put it right away, it'll just turn dark. The sugar burns. So for this one, we're going to mix it with a bit of oil so that it's easier to cook. Yeah. So let's just get hot for a few minutes. If you have any questions on how to cook something, don't hesitate to ask. Just wave or shout out. Okay, so our pan's getting hot. Let's put our oil. Get a little salt. And then let's get a bit of butter also for this. Yeah, you can hear the butter. Can you hear the butter? Once the butter's in the pan, what you want to do is you want to wait for it to be quiet. You don't want to hear the butter anymore. And that's when you can put the steak in. So yeah, you can still hear it. It'll take a few more minutes. Yeah. Now it's almost starting to stop. Now we can put in our steak. Let's remove a bit of the marinade because like I said, make sugar to but it might just burn. Let's put our steak in. 1, 2, and 3. And then when you cook steak, you don't want to move your meat. Let it stay there, unmoved for about maybe I'd say a minute. Kasi maliit yung steak natin na yun, so you just want to cook this really fast. You want this literally less than a minute on each side moving it up. Here, we also kept our marinade. We're going to use the marinade after to make a sauce. So just make sure you keep the marinade on the side. Yeah, so our steak's cooking. And while that's cooking, you can also get the other ingredients ready. We're going to need bell peppers for this. We're going to need some leeks for this, for a garnish, but we're going to use it as an ingredient more than as a garnish for this one. And also our Del Monte pineapple tidbits. And our Del Monte pineapple tidbits is actually what's going to make our dish go to the next level. It's actually, it's going to be a combination of sweet and salty. So don't worry, it will work. You'll all get a chance to try it. And so our steaks, did about a minute on each side, on the first side. Turn it on the other side. Does everyone cook here? Yeah? Everyone cooks at home? Or at least tries to. This is a recipe you have to try. It's super easy and it's super good. Okay, so our steak's cooking. To finish off our dish, like I said, this is super fast. This is like a 5-minute demo. To finish our dish, we're going to need bell peppers, red or green, whichever you want. Some leeks, yung green part lang, because we're going to use it as a garnish / as an ingredient to enhance the flavors, and our pineapple tidbits. So yeah, so our steak's going, it's cooking. Then I'm just going to set this aside lang muna for me to get the sauce ready. Then our steak's almost done. Another rule of thumb is when you cook your steak, let it rest. Don't cut your steak right away. You need all the juices to flow back in so it will be juicier. Ayan. So we can still use the same pan. Let's go ahead and put our bell peppers in. We're going to put our marinade. So this is not just a marinade, sauce dento. So you want to use it here at this point. Ayan. We'll put our marinade in. Give this a quick stir. Yung brown bits, the ones you can see on the screen, those brown bits is actually the sugar that's cooking, and that's flavor. It's not burnt, it's flavor. Ayan. So that's getting ready, cooking away. Now we can add the Del Monte pineapple tidbits. This is what's going to make our dish go to the next level, like I said. So it's going to put our pineapples, and you want a lot of it. Syempre, it's a Hawaiian steak. And in Hawaii, we have pineapple. Let's go ahead and put that. Let's make this a bit stronger. If I can. Ayan. Ayan, laid it off. Ayan. Okay, back on. So give this a quick stir. Give this a nice quick stir. And then we're going to add our leeks. Super simple, like I said, this, all you have to worry about is make the marinade the night before and then just cook it on the day of the special occasion. Once that's in, and because I'm classically French trained, we like to put butter at the end of everything. If butter just makes everything that much better. We're going to put a good tablespoon of butter in here. This, not just for flavor, but it will also have a second purpose. It will make your sauce shine. It will make it look nice when you plate the dinner. The steak, sorry. Ayan. So let's just get the butter melted in. The cameraman is the lucky one. He's the one closest, so he can smell everything. And so, this is getting ready. And syempre, when we eat with our eyes first, as we all know. You know, you look at the nice dish, it looks pretty, we want to eat it. So we're going to plate this in a nice way that you can tell what all the ingredients.
Happy New Year!
Someone call 911. Okay, that's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, yeah. So our sauce is ready. We can go ahead and plate. So for this one, super simple. Just want to get a nice plate. And then another rule of thumb is when you plate, you keep things in the center. This is one thing that I'm very picky about. Because you want everything to look neat, not like you just throw it on the plate. You want to present it nicely. Let's put our steak in the middle of the plate. And you want juices when you make your meat rest. There's always juices that are going to flow. Just put that back in the sauce. That's flavor. That's a yan. So you just want to add it to the sauce. Okay. Give this a quick stir. So we have our beef in the middle of the plate. We're going to get our garnish just on top. You can put as much or as little as you want. Get some more. And try to keep everything in the middle. And then if you want to be a little bit fancy, you can just drizzle a bit of sauce all around. Trying to stay not like that. I think this one. I'll put one on the side of the plate. That's not a problem. We can clean it after. So yeah, ready now. Finish off with a bit more pineapple. Syempre, it's a Hawaiian steak. We want to use the pineapple here. Then, just to finish it off, wipe the sides of your plate. And there you have it, your Hawaiian steak with Del Monte pineapple tidbits. Everyone's going to get a chance to try it. We're going to come around with some food after, so please enjoy that. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, Chef. Of course, mas pinasarap yan ng ganda. Alright, now let's move on to our